Slowly, quickly. Yeah. Touch your eyes. What is your eyes? Yeah. Not speak as that. Yeah. Touch your ears. What is the ears? Yeah. Touch your mouth. What is your mouth? Oh, very good. Excellent. And touch your hands. Hands. Yeah. Clap your hands. Okay. What about your legs? Stomp your foot. What is your foot? Yeah. Excellent. Well done. Now we will do a reflection. Here we have like this circle. If you understand the lesson, please green. Put on your green. Yeah. If you little understand, put yellow. If you don't understand, put red color. Okay.
If you don't understand.
Correct. Okay. Thank you very much. And you will work. Yeah.
Very much. So, I will pick up
No. And I give it to you this card, yeah? And if you have 3 cards, you will,
this card is your marks. So,